All right, masters of stock market, welcome to another video. Professor Joe here. I hope you all are doing great, and it's so nice to see you in this video. In this video, we are going to discuss SIP, that is systematic investment plan in a stock. Yes, most of you know SIP in mutual funds, but here we are going to discuss SIP in a stock. So let us deep dive into the concept and see what exactly is this and how we are supposed to do it. So like I said, SIP, systematic investment plan, is a way to invest small amount every month. It is normally done in a mutual fund. Yeah, basically an asset management company. It's a great way to make wealth from the stock markets. It's a great retirement planning investment tool. But today, we are going to understand a new concept. It is called as rupee cost averaging, or in the international market called as dollar cost averaging. It means that invest directly a fixed amount in one financial instrument on a monthly basis, or you can say a regular basis. It means it reduces the impact of volatility of the price. Keep investing every single month or on regular basis on a fixed date, whether the price is high or the price is low, you keep investing. It will build unimaginable wealth in the long term. Let us see how it actually works. So your first step is to use the core principles of Masters of Stock Market, our 5 core principles. You use the 5 core principles and identify a good, strong stock. And after that, start investing in that particular stock every single month. Over here, you can see left side is the price, 10, 20, 30, and so on. And going towards the right side is the month. Month 1, month 2, month 3, month 4, and so on. You can see the stock, it already has a primary trend that is going upwards. I hope you remember the Dow theory. So the primary trend is basically going upwards. That's how we have identified the stock. We have a secondary trend that is going up and down, above and below the primary trend. And then we have the minor trend, which is going up and down within the secondary trend. Now, what you have to do is on a monthly basis, keep investing, whether the price is up or the price is down. You keep investing on one particular fixed date every single month. In this example, we have taken 1000 rupees. In 16 months, the investor have invested 16,000 rupees. Now, to find the NAV, you need to know the number of shares multiplied by the current market price. So to find the number of shares, you have to do the small calculation. You are investing 1000 rupees every month and the share price every single month. When you divide the share price with the investment, you get the number of shares. So in this calculation, you can see that the total number of shares is 570. And at the end of the 16th month, you can see that the share price, current market price, is 90 rupees. So you have totally invested 16,000 rupees in 16 months, and your NAV has become 51,261 rupees, which is a great return in 16 months. So this is how a rupee cost averaging works. Every single month on a fixed date, you keep investing a fixed amount. Systematic investment plan, but in a stock. There are many advantages to it. Number one, you get the advantage of the share price going up. Number two, you get the advantage of dividends. Number three, you get the advantage of split stocks. Number four, you get the advantage of bonus shares. So there are so many advantages to rupee cost averaging when you start investing directly into a very, very strong stock. Find the best stock and start investing in it. Like Warren Buffett says, the more you learn, the more you're going to earn. And I always say, keep learning, keep growing, keep getting better every single day. I hope the rupee cost averaging or SIP in a stock is clear after going through this video. That's all in this video. Thank you. Namaskar.